Hello everyone. In today's video, we're gonna touch base the accounting and bookkeeping for interior design and home decor industry. So this will be the few topics we'll cover in this video. So let's start with income and revenue. In income and revenue, you have to keep a record of all the sources of your income, including your fees for the design services, your product sales, and any additional revenue, like if you are doing some interior designings and if you are giving them any furnitures by yourself. That all will be added in this revenue streams. Such as if you are doing some consultancies, then the consultancy fees will be included in your revenue, and you have to track that. Now let's talk about expense management. In expense management, you have to track all your business expenses, including your materials for the supplies. If you are giving them labors, then the labor costs, rents and utilities, your marketing expenses, and any other overhead cost that you are having. And you also need to categorize all of them for your better analysis for the future decisions. Inventory management. In inventory management, if you sell a home decor products, like if you are selling some products, like if you are selling some paintings and some aesthetic products like chandeliers or pots or something like that, then you have to maintain accurate record for all these inventory levels, and this will include the cost of your goods sold and any inventory adjustment you have to do in this. Now let's talk about client invoicing. In this, you need to generate and send invoices to your clients promptly, so they will know that how much you have growing, or how much the work has done, how much you are working on the project, and something like that. And also you need to keep record of all these invoices issued, and if you received some payments, you have to record them too. And you need to regularly see that if there is any outstanding balances are pending, or if there is any pending payments. Bank reconciliation. In bank reconciliation, you have to regularly reconcile your bank statements or your bank account with the records of your transactions to match your bank statements. Tax compliance. In tax compliance, you need to track all your tax liabilities, including your income tax, your sales tax, your other applicable taxes, and ensure that you timely filled those tax and pay your taxes to avoid any penalties. Financial statement. Financial statement is very important whenever comes to a business. In this, you need to prepare a regular financial statement, including your income statement, like your profit and loss. Then you will have to make a balance sheets of the balance sheets. You need to maintain a cash flow statement. So this will assess the financial health of your business. Cash flow management. In cash flow management, you have to monitor your cash flow to ensure that you have enough working capital to cover the expenses. If there is more expenses, you will have to cover them. So for that, you need to maintain a cash flow. And also invest in your growth opportunity. So here are some key performance indicators that are commonly used in your interior designing or home decor industry to measure the performance and the track success and the growth of the industry. Let's start with revenue growth indicator. This indicator measures the year-over-year growth in your total revenue to assess your business overall performance. So how your business been growing, or how you performing, or how much revenue you have been making. This will be calculated by this indicator. Second is profit margin indicator. This indicator tracks your profit margin to ensure that your business is generating a healthy profit after all the expenses you have done on the project. Client retention rate. This indicator monitors the percentage of the clients who return for a repeat business, or who are returned to you and to your firm for a next project. So the repeat of clients are often more profitable and cost effective to serve. Fourth is average transaction value indicator. This indicator determines the average value of each sales or each project you have done, to understand how much revenue you've been generating per client or per project. Account receivable aging. In this, the indicator will monitor the aging of your accounts receivable to ensure that you have been doing timely payments from the clients, and you've been maintaining a healthy cash flow. return on investment for marketing. This indicator calculates and assesses the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns by calculating the return on investment for each marketing channel. Like if you are running some social media ads, or if you are having some advertisements on the televisions or any other social media platform, like if you are doing ads on YouTube, so how much the returns are coming from that side. So this will be calculated in this indicator. Employee productivity indicator is an indicator which will calculate your employees' productivity, how much they are working on the project, or how much working hours they are giving to a project, or how they are generating and how much revenue you've been generating per your employee. Inventory turnover. In inventory turnover, this indicator will measure how quickly you sell your inventory by calculating the inventory turnover ratio. Like if you are having some if you are selling some furnitures, or if you are selling some paintings, some aesthetic stuffs, or like pots or something, chandeliers, like that, this all will be calculated in this indicator. Client acquisition cost. This indicator will calculate the cost of acquiring your new client, including their marketing fees, your sales expenses, to evaluate the efficiency of your client acquisition strategies. Last, customer satisfaction indicator. It is very crucial when it comes to home decor industry. In this indicator will gather feedbacks from your clients for their to calculate their satisfaction level with your services or with your products. So if there is a high satisfaction levels, that can lead to referrals of your business. They can refer your business to someone else, and this will give you the repeat business, and it will obviously grow your profit. So that was all for the home decor industry. Thank you and have a nice day.